So my name is Eileen Marder-Mirman. I'm a non-dual Kabbalistic healing teacher and supervisor, and I've been a transpersonal psychotherapist for over 40 years. So I've been involved in lots of meditation for over 40 years, all different kinds of psychological modalities, hands-on healing. I've done many wonderful, wonderful things that I've worked with personally and brought to my family and my practice. So what made me take this workshop was I'm very interested in the intersection of science and psychology. It's always been an interest of mine. And I knew that Bruce Lipton, who wrote the book, The Biology of Belief, really thought that this work dealt with levels of consciousness that many of the psychotherapies out there just don't touch. Now, the work I teach is very, very deep, and it touches things through going through a very deep process and lots of spiritual practice. What I loved about this workshop is there are a couple of protocols that are very clear, simple, precise, and integrates the mind, body, spirit in a very different way. Not that I'm going to give up what I'm doing, but I'd like to integrate this into my work. I've already done a couple of sessions with some family members. This work is very much consciousness raising, even after doing a lot of inner work. For example, I did some work about my belief about the subconscious. I did work on my health, my apparent food allergies, my teaching concerns, my desire to be compassionately unattached, and simultaneously at peace with myself. I would say the overall result that I had this past week was I was able to teach this past weekend in a more simple, concise way. It really, I know for sure it was related to the PSYCH-K. I was very excited about the work I did. I felt more present in a certain way. And really the icing on the cake was I've experienced a deep relaxation. In fact, Friday night of the workshop, I went home, I ate a little bit, and I slept better than I could remember sleeping in a very long time. And one more thing that I want to say is this work, because it works with levels of consciousness, really accesses our true nature in a way that we don't have to go looking for it. It helps us to access it, experience it, know it, and live it. So you should definitely go for the workshop. It's fabulous.